Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a water reflection effect for your logo in CapCut. So first, what you need to do is add the text of your logo. So for example, I'm going to just write this channel's name and then export this video and open it in a new project. So after you open the video tags in the new project, what you need to do is go to the video effect and find the distortion category, then select the water ripples effect, this one. So follow this setting. For the vertical 46, speed 23, the filter and size 33, and then the twist 50. Click on a check icon. Now add another effect. On the light effect category, add the laser beam effect. Okay, this one, and adjust the effect like this. For the intensity, set it 8 and range 47, the speed 27, and then the color 28. Okay, just click on the check icon now. So this will be the final result. And that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.